Welcome to Home Garden Concepts, your go-to place for creative, affordable garden ideas that bring nature closer to home. If you love transforming small spaces into green havens, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a fresh idea to grow with us. Think you need a big budget to have a beautiful garden? Think again. With just a few creative ideas and a little effort, you can turn your plain backyard into a peaceful sanctuary without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll show you how to create a stunning backyard garden using recycled materials, smart planting, and DIY magic. It's not about how much you spend. It's about how cleverly you grow. One of the biggest mistakes people make when starting a garden is jumping straight into planting. But if you take just a little time to plan, you'll save a lot of effort and money in the long run. Start by sketching a simple layout of your backyard. Decide where your pathways will go, where you want to place your plant beds, and which corners could hold a small seating area or decorative feature. Think in layers, tall plants at the back, shorter ones in front, and consider how the sun hits different parts of your space. By planning ahead, you avoid overcrowding, overbuying, and overspending. A simple pencil sketch can lead to a smart, efficient, and beautiful garden. Before spending any money, look around your home. You might already have the perfect garden materials hiding in plain sight. Old buckets, paint cans, wooden crates, broken ceramic pots, or even cooking pots can be turned into planters. Add drainage holes. Paint them if you like, and you've got unique, character-filled containers. Don't toss out that broken chair. Turn it into a vertical planter. Use leftover bricks or stones for edging, or old wooden planks for small raised beds. Repurposing is not only good for your wallet, but it adds a personal touch to your garden that store-bought items just can't match. Buying mature plants can be expensive, especially if you're starting from scratch. But growing from seeds is a smart and rewarding alternative. Seed packets cost just a fraction of the price of nursery plants and often contain more than you need. Start them indoors in egg cartons or recycled cups, then transfer them once they're strong enough. Even better, regrow vegetables from kitchen scraps. Green onions, lettuce, basil, and many others can sprout again from what you already eat. You can also ask friends for cuttings. A simple clipping placed in water can become a whole new plant. It's budget-friendly, sustainable, and deeply satisfying. You don't need fancy landscaping or expensive materials to create beautiful garden features. Raised garden beds, trellises, borders, and garden markers can all be made with things you probably already have. Use old pallet wood, bricks, cinder blocks, or even reclaimed fencing to frame your plant beds. For a vertical touch, build a trellis from bamboo sticks, scrap metal, or tree branches. Get creative. A small water feature can be built from an old bowl or basin and a tiny solar fountain. DIY garden elements not only save money, but give your backyard a rustic, handmade charm that feels uniquely yours. Transform your backyard into a cozy retreat without splurging on outdoor furniture. Wooden pallets are your best friend. They can be stacked into benches or tables and customized with a bit of sanding and paint. Add some homemade cushions using old clothes or repurposed fabric to bring in color and comfort. A tree stump becomes a rustic stool, a concrete block and a board become a bench. You don't need to spend hundreds, just mix creativity with a few tools, and you'll create outdoor furniture that's practical, charming, and uniquely budget-conscious. A garden isn't just for the daytime. With the right lighting, your backyard can transform into a magical, peaceful escape at night. Solar-powered garden lights are an inexpensive, energy-efficient solution. Just stick them into the ground and let the sun do the rest. Want something more personal? Create mason jar lanterns with LED candles or fairy lights. Hang them on tree branches, fences, or shepherd hooks for a whimsical glow. Old glass bottles, tin cans, or even string lights from past holidays can be repurposed too. Lighting doesn't need to be costly, it just needs a little imagination to bring warmth and ambience into your nighttime garden. The key to a beautiful budget garden is choosing plants that do well with little care, and native or drought-tolerant species are perfect for that. These plants are adapted to your local climate, which means they need less water, fewer fertilizers, and almost no pampering. Succulents, ornamental grasses, lavender, rosemary, marigolds, there are so many affordable options that stay lovely year-round. Group them based on their water and sunlight needs for an efficient, thriving layout. Low maintenance doesn't mean boring. With the right selection, your garden will look vibrant and alive without constant upkeep or cost. You don't need to buy expensive soil amendments. Nature already gives you everything you need for free. Start composting with kitchen scraps like veggie peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Add dried leaves, grass clippings, and cardboard for balance. In just a few weeks or months, you'll have rich, healthy compost that boosts your soil and feeds your plants. Use shredded leaves or grass as mulch to retain moisture and block weeds. It's a cost-free solution that works wonders. By recycling waste into nourishment, you're saving money and building a more sustainable, eco-friendly garden. A beautiful garden doesn't need to cost a fortune, just a bit of heart, imagination, and the will to create. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden magic on a budget. Let's grow beauty together, one backyard at a time.